American shows locally here in Sacramento. I would like to also give this song as a dedication to my music teacher, Miss Lucinda Mock. She has taught me that song and took me to various audition shows with other American little girls and little boys. Everyone of you guys out there too, that it's never a bad thing to be a little kid, just to have a little heart, okay? So a cover of The Little Mermaid, Part of Your World. Woo! Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can bird hold? Looking around here you'll think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You know anything about box? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see